Happy Tuesday, everybody. Today, the date is going to end up being April 28th. I'm going to end up running through this answer really quick. It wasn't, I mean, honestly, two of the answers are really, really bad, and the other two are actually pretty close. So if you selected one of the two that were close, great job. If you didn't, that's okay. Running through the problem, the amount of money that college students spend on rent each month is usually between $300 and $600. That's going to get you a shady place. That is not a lot of money. Just a heads up, guys. If you're spending that monthly, that's not a lot, unless you're staying like in a college dorm or have some sort of deal going on. However, there are a few students who spend $1,300. That's more what you would spend. What measure of spread would be most appropriate to measure the amount of money that college students spend on rent per month? All right. So the key thing is what measure of spread would be most appropriate to measure the amount of money that college spends on rent per month? Okay, all it's asking us is what measure would be best. It's not asking us to do any math or solve anything. And let's just go ahead and run through our answers. So the first thing says median. Well, median, as you end up knowing, is the number that is in the middle. Well, that's not going to help us at all. Just not a good option. Range is taking the biggest number, subtracting it from the smallest number. Once again, not going to help us. These two are just not good options, not good answers. It's not going to end up giving us that, not going to give us a good spread. Standard deviation usually has outliers that you got to end up dealing with, so it could end up throwing some things off. And interquartile range will be best because it kind of breaks up the numbers, and you do end up taking quartile 3 and subtracting it from quartile 1. And that's where a lot of that, I mean, that's just going to end up being the best option in this instance. This is one of those annoying problems. Definitions, words, vocabs, they're always a headache. Interquartile range is definitely going to end up being best in this scenario. That's your review of warm-up number 20. Keep up the good work, guys.